Are you worried about rising electricity bills? In this video, you will learn how to power your home with solar energy. Understand how solar panels work. Follow a step-by-step installation guide. Get tips for long-term performance. Solar panels are a sustainable and cost-effective way to live. Let's get started on building your DIY solar-powered house. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight hits the solar panels, it excites electrons in the material. These excited electrons then flow through an electrical circuit, generating electricity. This clean electricity can power your home. You can run appliances and lights. You can even store excess energy in batteries for later use. This means you can have power even when the sun isn't shining. Solar energy is beneficial for the environment. It significantly reduces your carbon footprint. It helps combat climate change. Plus, it decreases your dependence on fossil fuels. Let's install solar panels on your house. It's easier than you think. First, find the best spot on your roof. It should get plenty of sunlight. South-facing roofs are usually best. Next, install the mounting brackets. These hold the solar panels securely in place. Make sure they are level and aligned. Then, mount the solar panels onto the brackets. Now, it's time to wire the panels together. Connect them in series or parallel, depending on your needs. Finally, connect the solar panels to your home's electrical system. Use an inverter to convert the DC electricity to AC electricity. Solar panels require minimal maintenance. Keep them clean from dirt and debris. You can simply hose them down or use a soft brush. Trim any trees that might shade the panels. It's good to monitor the system's performance. Check for any drops in energy production. This could indicate a problem that needs fixing. Congratulations. You have a solar-powered home. You are saving money and helping the environment. Enjoy clean and sustainable energy for years to come.